It's important for us to find time for self-care even when we're busy. And that's something a fun, healthy habit can do for all of us. Just ask this busy chef. She says boxing helps her feel great even during the busiest weeks in the kitchen. The best way to pick up a healthy habit is to find out what works for others.
Hi, my name is Polita. I'm chef and owner of Pink Salt, the restaurant. My healthy habit is boxing, and I love it because it's stress relieving.
How did your healthy habit of boxing start?
It started when I was in college. I just wanted a full body workout. I wanted something a little bit more social, and I just fell in love with it.
And what a great stress relief boxing is. How does boxing help your mental health?
It's just something about it just really clears my mind. Any aggression, any anger after a long day, it's really refreshing. Any stress that's on my chest, I just kind of like put it on the bag and then I just let it out. And then as soon as I'm done, like all my blood's flowing, all the endorphins are going, so it's like I come back into the restaurant super happy and relieved.
A lot of physical benefits with boxing. Tell me about what you're experiencing.
It engages my core and then also just take on that like cardio. I like to run, but after a while it gets a little bit boring, and so boxing always keeps me on my toes.
It's a great feeling.
It's a great feeling.
Do you feel like boxing helps you in the restaurant?
Oh, absolutely. Just being on my feet every day for like 12 to 14 hours. I notice I don't have a lot of joint pain, like I'm able to endure a longer day. I don't get as tired as quickly.
Owning a restaurant is literally a 24/7 job. You never stop working.
Yeah.
How do you make time for boxing?
You just do it, and I know that sounds like a very cliche phrase, but if I don't take the 40 minutes for myself, it will catch up with me later. To me, working out is my priority, and there just isn't really another option. Take care of myself a little bit more so I can get back to work in an even better, in a better headspace.
Yeah, and self-care is really huge
Yeah.
when we talk about healthy habits. I love boxing too, but I would love to see some of your favorite moves.
Okay.
Show me your favorite combo.
All right. Cool. So I do jab, cross, hook, uppercut.
My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. If you have a healthy habit you want to share with us, hit us up on Facebook, Twitter, or tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.